A Galaxy S24 may have low volume due to incorrect volume settings, software bugs, or potential hardware issues like blocked speaker grills. If you have a problem like this, here are the things you should do to fix it. First, check your volume settings. Ensure that the volume slider is turned up to the maximum. You can also adjust the individual volume levels for different media types like music, videos, and calls. To do this, go to Settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration, then select Volume. Here, you'll see sliders for various volume settings on your device. As long as there's nothing blocking the speaker grills on your phone, adjusting these sliders should resolve the issue. However, if the problem continues, try updating your phone's firmware. Sometimes, a software bug can cause issues like this, and a firmware update might fix it. If that doesn't help, you can try resetting all settings on your phone. This will restore all system settings to their default values without deleting your files or data. And if the problem still persists after that, it might be a hardware issue, so consider having your phone checked by a professional. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and solutions.